Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by plugging Chromecast into an HDMI port and connecting its power. Use the supplied adapter for stable voltage. Once powered, switch your TV to that HDMI input. You should see the setup screen. Make sure your phone or tablet is on the same Wi-Fi network you'll use. This lets the Google Home app detect the device. If you see no screen, try another HDMI port and test the USB power source, because weak power causes detection failures. Open Google Home and tap the plus icon to add a new device. The app scans and finds Chromecast automatically. When you see the pairing code on TV, confirm it in the app. This verifies you're connecting to the right unit. Next, name the Chromecast for voice control and select your Wi-Fi network. Enter the password carefully to avoid connection loops. Then set the preferred resolution and ambient mode. These choices optimize picture quality and screensaver behavior during idle periods. Sign into your Google account on the device and link streaming services so apps appear on the launcher. Once done, test casting from YouTube or the Chrome browser. Start with a short clip to confirm video and audio. Make sure 4K content requires HDMI 2, 0, HDCP 2, 2, and a 1525 Mbps connection. If casting fails, reboot the Chromecast and router. Then try a factory reset only if problems persist. This clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.